Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay, and if you are new, please make sure you hit that red rectangle button, which is down below right here, followed by the post notification bell so it notifies you when I drop a video. And if you're a return subscriber, hey, welcome, thank you for coming back. Please continue to subscribe because I got lots more for you. Okay. I know I look funny, don't laugh at me. I just did my hair yesterday, so that video would be out before this. I'm gonna put the link in the description box and in the eye right here, but if it's not in the eye right now, it's definitely going to be in the eye. So today, what I'm going to be doing is, today's video I'm going to be doing is another Amazon unboxing. Finally, my product arrives. Remember when I did the other haul, that will be down in the description as well and in the eye. When I did the unboxing about the dumpling maker, I finally got a bigger size, but this one is called the Empanada one or something. This one I'm happy that I got it. I got it fast. Where's my phone? Wow, I actually left without my phone. I usually don't leave without my phone. Anyways, who cares? This one came fast. I ordered it, I believe it was on a Saturday because I called customer service, let them know that about the product and whatever, I don't want it, and yeah. So I believe I ordered on the Saturday and it went through on Monday. This one, yeah, this Monday is when I got the shipment in. They said like it's been shipped off. Then I ended up getting on Friday, and Friday was so 15. It came on the 14th, August 14th. Okay, I'll correct myself because right now I'm focused on when I get my phone. So yeah, it took 1 week just to come in. It was telling me it's supposed to come at the end of the month, which was the 28th of August or something, and I was like, no. I believe it's because I have Prime. Yeah, again, y'all comment below. Is it because I have Prime? Is that why it came early? I don't know. But yeah, let's just get into the video because it's throwing me off now. So as you can see, I already opened it because I wanted to see what was inside. This time it was me. I was eager to open it. My mom was just like, you don't have to open it. Like, I knew inside she's saying in her head, but she didn't want to say that. I was like, just open it. So I can't show you the front because it has my address and everything. So this is it. I already opened it. I bought two. So let me show you the next one. So this one, they said it's supposed to be a bigger size than the one that I had before, which was called, this one's called Empanada and the other one was called Dumpling Maker, but it's the same thing. They said this is made for empanada. So my Spanish people, empanadas, y'all know what empanadas is? I'm going to show you a picture, but this doesn't look like empanadas right here. I don't know what this is that they're showing me. It looks like a pancake. So it says it's made for empanadas, turnover press, cuts and seals your dough perfectly even every time. Ideal for empanadas, dumplings, pastries, turnovers, bite-sized, calzones, pocket sandwich, ravioli, mini desserts, filled pies, pot stickers, and more. I don't know what pot stickers. And then it tells you how to use. So this is called hummus. It says it's a jumbo empanada. That's when I saw. Okay, so again, the advertisement got me. I thought, let me come closer to the camera. I don't know why I'm so far. I thought it was going to be this big. Like when I say jumbo, this big, because I seen on YouTube like that, and then the advertisement, like the picture. Hopefully I put a picture right here. I don't know if I'm going to put it in, but yeah, hopefully I put one right now. The picture, the advertisement is so big, and I was like, I don't know, because I was even asking customer service. I was like, is it big? He's like, what are the dimensions? And I told him, he's like, I don't know, compared to the old one that you got. The old one was like a 4 point, not even 4 point, it was like 3.2 or something. Okay, and this one size, it says 6.25 inches, but it's not that big. But here we go. I already opened it, so yeah. So this is not empanadas. Empanadas look like something else. I wish I could show you a picture, but I don't have it. But I'm gonna put a picture right here of how empanadas look like. Hopefully I remember to do these things. But anyways, so this is the front. It says easy to use. This is how it look like, you know. Then you put it in and you turn it. So let me open the product. This had to get on the state side because again, the Canadian, we don't have anything. But I paid, since I bought two, I ended up paying $34. I'm gonna correct myself because I don't have my phone with me right now. I don't even know where I put it. I have a feeling where I put it, but like I don't know if it's there. I'm not going back. But anyways, Yeah, this was 34 Canadian. I think it was 34 and 2 cents, but we don't do cents no more. We do cents, but like it rounds off starting from 5. Well, y'all, I mean not cents, pennies. Well, y'all still take pennies. When I went to States, I was like, what? Y'all still take pennies? I still have some 33. I'm like, we don't need this. And then the rest, I don't know. I think I lost it. But anyways, yeah, so this is it. Like I was showing you, you open it, and then you put, like it shows here in the picture. See, you put the dough in here. Can y'all see it? You put the dough in here, whatever, and then you know, you gotta make sure this is at the top. I don't think it matters. It doesn't matter if this, to me, I feel like, no, this should be at the bottom because it has that. That's how you can remember that one's the bottom and this is the top. But it doesn't matter because it's gonna be a dough made, right? So you could also put this at the bottom and cut the dough. So like you see how this is a dough. Hopefully I might do a demo of how I'm gonna use it. I don't know when we're gonna make the meat pie again because I need a break. Like I told my mom, I'm like, I need a break. 1, because I'm tired, and then 2, I'm tired of the food. But I told her today's Sunday, right? So I told her either tonight or Monday or something within the week we're gonna do it because I just needed a break from it. I was tired of the food. I don't know, I was just tired of the food. But yeah, so this is the bottom, right? And this part obviously is because of, what is it called, the opening. They did that because of the opening. So this is the part you're gonna use to cut the circle. Because what have we been using? We've been using like so many different things. We've been using the pot cover. We've been using the margarine, you know, the margarine container, and cutting it up. And so yeah, this is it. It's like an oval shape. It's not a circle. I thought it was gonna be a circle, but it's an oval shape. So this is the bottom where you cut it up. These 2 handles, oh, these 2 handles are to, like, when you put the dough, it helps you to close it. But you know me, I'm just gonna go like this. So after I put it in, I'm just gonna go like, that's just me, instead of just, I don't know. And then you can see the dough under. That's cool. That is so cool. Then here are the screws. Even though this is plastic, I still feel like this is very good plastic. Like it's strong. It gives you an instruction of how to do it, but we already know how to do it. So empanadas. Oh, here, like I was showing you. So this is the dough. Can y'all see? This is the dough. When you make it a circle, that's how flat it's gonna be. Well, obviously you have to roll it flat with the rolling pin and then cut it with this thing, the empanada maker, and cut it open. And then when you close it, this is how it's gonna look like. Looks like a mini pie. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do it. So okay, yeah. It's not good. So we have to use this because it didn't work. So this is what she uses to cut it, to make the circle. See how perfect it is while the other one broke it?
Okay, hold on. Let me see.
It's probably still gonna be perfect. Yeah. Wow. Oh no, no, no. So she did two. This is the one with the empanada maker. These two right here. Let me zoom out. This is with the empanada maker. This two. This is with her hand. See how nice it looks with her hand? So yeah, the empanada one looks small. And this one's bigger. So I don't know if we're gonna keep it or not. As you can see, two is the empanada maker right here. These two right here. And that is by her doing it with her hands. It's done. This is the empanada one. These two are the empanadas. See how small and burnt it look like? And this is the one she did handmade. Handmade. I mean, like her own measurements. See? Her own measurement. Look how nicely it came out. Well, this is the two empanada ones. Sorry, y'all. See the two, this is, oh my god, you can't even see my hand. This is the empanada one. This came out, we wanted it this size. So the empanada one, these two, did not come out the way you wanted to. Too small. See? Too small. So if I was to compare this, I still have the old one. If I was to compare this little shrimp, I don't know. This is 3 point something, but this doesn't look like 3 point something, look like 2. So if I was to compare this to this, I'm gonna put the link to the product, this product, just in case you guys want this. I don't know, but yeah, if I was to compare, this is steel and this is plastic. If I was to compare this to this, I would obviously go this one because look, well, see how it's still shaky and look, it doesn't even sit still. This one sits still. Well, it kind of moved a bit, but like, oh, it does the same thing. No, but either way, even though it does the same thing, it's still staying in place. Well, this one is still shaky. Look at the sides. Y'all see the sides? Like this, to me, this feels like plastic. This feels like steel, if you guys get what I mean. And the handle is pretty good. I like it. Look, it's easy, even though it's not big enough for this one. Obviously, I guess this one they had to make it big because how am I gonna flip this over? This one, I kind of like the back because it doesn't have that cut. Well, it does have the cut, but like it's not too deep like this one. So my mom was saying when she cuts it, she's scared that this is gonna go into the dough and it's gonna make that line. I don't know if it's gonna make it. I'm gonna compare the back. Okay, I don't know if I could do both because this camera is real small. Can y'all see it? The back. See how deep this one is in? This is more circle. So see how this is more circle. You can't really see it that much. Well, this one is like, you know. No, this one has to go to lights because it's an oval. There we go. But this one's more shinier. Like you can see inside more of this one. You can see, right? Oh, let me show you the front. This one, I feel like, or it's the same. I feel like this one's more wide. Like the edges. Well, this one is just small. So I'm going to have a bunch of like lines. This one is just, you know. I showed you the back. I mean the sides of it. Y'all see the difference? I gotta move this one back and this one closer. Or unless. So yeah. And then when I close it, y'all can see inside, right? Well, this one, oh, you can too. I don't know. I'm definitely liking this one. I might do a demo of when we do it, or just a picture. But yeah, if I was to rate this and this, okay, so far I'm gonna rate it. This I'm gonna give it an 8 because no, I lied. I'm gonna give it 7.5 because one, it didn't meet up to my expectations. I thought it was gonna be like this size bigger, so the picture got me. So 7.5, and also because I haven't used it yet, so I don't know if it's good or not. Like I feel like everything is great, the product and everything, but I'm gonna give it 7.5 because one, I haven't used it yet. Two, I haven't. It wasn't my expectation. It's not that big enough. I want it to be bigger. Like I want to make like a big size, you know, meat pie. So yeah. So once I do the meat pie and all that, I'm gonna put pictures and a video, or I might just do a video. We haven't done it yet. And yeah. So y'all comment down below if you guys like this product or not. Like I said again, it's gonna be in the description and pinned in the comments of the link to the product. I got it from Amazon. Amazon again. Prime has been getting my money. My money. Prime has been getting our money, I should say, but her money, our money. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'm gonna give this 7.5 because it didn't meet my expectations. Sorry. This is dishwasher safe, it says, and obviously I'm gonna use it in the hand. I'm gonna wash it. Hand wash. This was made in China. I thought this was made in like Spain or something because it said empanadas, right? So you know. So I feel like making the meat pie is gonna be a lot faster now. I don't know. But yeah, I'll show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, do all that jazz, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all. I don't know, these are like jazz hands. Bye.